Hello friends, this video is about one of the widely faced problems by most of the learners. Now one of the problems what I have seen after learning graphology courses or color test courses is people do not get enough samples. Now, due to various reasons, either the customers are not able to get in touch with you because of your marketing efforts, or you are not able to reach to customers because of your various other commitments, or it could be for various reasons. But the most important point is you are not getting enough practice. And as a result of this lack of practice, you do not feel confident enough to analyze the samples independently. Now, we know practice makes man perfect. Now, you have the knowledge, but when you don't get enough practice over the period of time or with the passage of time, you tend to feel rusty, or you don't feel that you can analyze the samples, and slowly you start forgetting some of the knowledge also which you have gained while doing the courses. So overall, now you are forgetting your knowledge also. You are not getting enough practice also. You don't feel confident also as a result of lack of practice. So somehow overall this starts affecting your confidence, as well as you start feeling low. Maybe you start being a little bit more self-critical as to why you are not able to achieve your objective for doing these courses. Now your objective could be you wanted to do something unique, you wanted to feel valued, or you wanted to be financially independent, or maybe you wanted to do something of your own, right? Or maybe you wanted to work on yourself. Whatever it may be, whatever objectives you had, now because of this lack of practice, you are not able to work on it. And the more you are moving away from that objective, the more you are getting frustrated, that resentment is there, or that anger is there. And this further gets aggravated when you see other people doing much better in that respective field, but you are not able to do anything. You feel frustrated, you feel helpless. So what is the solution for this problem? Because most of the people, they do face this problem. Now, it depends on the person's mindset, how they deal with these problems. But the fact still remains, this is one of the crucial problems which most of the people, they do face after doing the courses. Now, these courses could be graphology, color test, or it could be any other modality, whatever it may be. Now, due to lack of practice, this is a common problem that most of the people face. So, what is the solution? How to overcome this practical problem? Firstly, do you relate with this problem? And are you willing and open to overcome this problem? One thing I can assure you, you will not only learn the solution to overcome this problem, but in this process, you will gain a lot of things which will help you on mental, physical and emotional level, as well as it will help you in dealing with others' problem also. So do let me know if this sounds interesting and you're open and willing for the WhatsApp session. I can help you to overcome this problem. And for this paid session, I am reachable on this WhatsApp number which is given in this picture. Thank you so much. Take care.